Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a sew and tell where I'm going to show you everything that I made with the last haul's fabric. Let's get into it. Before I show you what I made, I want to show you what I didn't make. This is everything I have left over out of that big haul that I showed you. It was about $100 worth of fabric and I made a ton of stuff. So this piece right here is about 5 inches width of fabric. So I could make some coasters out of that. I could make a scrunchie. I've got this piece here of truck fabric, maybe 10 by 12 inches, 8 by 12 inches. I'm not really sure. I've got a bunch of small cuts here, 6 by probably 2 or 3 inches. I've got some skinny cat pieces. I've got this one cat chunk. And then I have some pieces of the linen. So I have this longer piece, a more rectangle piece or square piece, and then I have 2 of these pieces, which there were more. I used them to make some additional items already. So I have 2 pieces of this. And then for the interfacing, I have 2 long pieces like this. And then all of these skinny offcuts. Other than that, everything was used. So let me show you everything I made. And I made all of this in a week. I'm super proud of myself. Let's first start with the placemats, which was the main objective of this whole project. So we've got 10 placemats here and they look wonderful. So we've got 5 and 5. 5 that are the scripted print with the linen on the back, and then 5 that are the floral with the linen on the back. So all 10 of them have the linen on the back, and then 5 of them have the floral, 5 have the words, the religious words. So this table is seats 6 that it's intended for. So it could be set up every other, it could be set up as 4 people sitting. But the 5th one is just good to have if one's dirty, or it gives the option to have 10 seatings. Then for this is our table runner for the middle of the table, which is made in the same manner of the placemat. So it's got batting on the inside, it's got the interfacing. So this includes all 3 of the fabrics. So this side is intended to be upwards when the linen pieces are being used. So imagine this is the placemat, and then this is in the center. And then when it's the floral and or the words, the other side of this is linen. So I think that that is going to be super cohesive. This piece was a great use of scrap fabric. The top and the bottom piece are one solid piece, and then the middle is actually 3 pieces that I pieced together, but you can't even tell. And on the back side is one big piece of linen that was left over. And I did this was trying out a new technique. I did some quilting on it. I don't even know if you can see it. I only did it on the back. It's a diamond pattern, but I did it in gray, so it'd be very discreet. It was good practice. I got a couple puckers in a couple different places. I just don't have the patience for quilting. Like I tried to, I love the way that it turns out, but I just don't have the patience to actually sit there and do it. I was trying so hard to do it, and once I started it, I couldn't not finish it. I had to finish it for the project. So I kind of wish I wouldn't have done it, but I really like how it turned out at the end, and it's so subtle. The next thing I made was 6 of the truck napkins. So these are 15 by 15 folded over twice. Oh, the placemats are 15 by 20, and then the table runner is I think 11 by 40. And so there's 6 napkins, all 15 by 15. Here is a piece where I use that linen leftover. So this is a pillow, and I'm actually going to show you in my next video how we're going to fill it. There's 2 different options. 1, we could get an insert to put inside, or 2, we could just stuff it. And I did an invisible zipper over here, so you can't really tell it's over here. I did have a little bit of a hard time with the corners up here. I tried a couple different methods. I've not done where the back side is folded over in the front. This is all one continuous piece, the linen, but I think they turned out super cute. So there's 2 of these, which correspond with the place settings. And then there's one bigger pillow of the one side of the placemats. Now this is not a hidden zipper, but I wanted a bigger zipper on here so that we could get more in and out. I didn't have like a white or a black, so I just used what I had, and I intentionally put the zipper downwards. So you see the words are this way. The zipper is on the bottom on purpose so that once it's sitting down, you can't really see it. But like I said, the inserts for these 3 pillows we'll take a look at later this week. The next thing that I made was jar openers. So I made jar openers from the trucks instead of making coasters. So we've got 2, 4, 6. We've got 6 jar openers. So the excess of fabric from the placemats, I didn't make coasters. I made jar openers instead. So there's 6 of those. And then from the cats, let me count these real quick. But I made the majority of the cat fabric. I used the vast majority of it for this. You saw the little bit that was left over. We've got 24 cat jar openers here, and that is everything that I made. Let me know what I should make with this remaining fabric. There's still a lot that can be made. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What was your favorite item? What was your favorite fabric? Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.